Our day started out in Malibu, where I didn't really specifically tell everyone where we were going. We're going to Salvation Mountain, and Salvation Mountain is exciting because it's on the Salton Sea, or near the Salton Sea, and it's a place that Lindsay hasn't wanted to go for a very long time. Are you excited to go to Salvation Mountain?
I don't know what it is.
Can't be excited about something when we don't know what it is.
Salvation Mountain, Charlie. It's about a 3-hour drive from LA, and you get to go through some of the most interesting landscapes and cities that I've ever come across on this earth. Slab City is pretty much entirely off the grid, solar panels, generators, and a lot of art.
I think we're in the desert somewhere. Salvation Mountain, I think. People pour paint on the dirt.
So there's a lot of paint on the hill, and that's what's going on here. On a Tuesday afternoon, there are kind of two tourist activities here in town. The one is Salvation Mountain, where we are now. The next is East Jesus, which is kind of a recycled materials complex turned into things that you couldn't even really possibly imagine. Let's watch Tyler bowl his perfect game. And boom goes the dynamite. Slab City, Salvation Mountain, and East Jesus are places that you go whenever you want a non-traditional tourist activity. I'm always looking on atlasobscura.com to find interesting tourist places rather than just the traditional ones that you'd see on like TripAdvisor, places like that. So for sure, make a trip out here. Next week, we are in Alaska photographing bears.